Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro with any MacBook. So to do this, you have to open this charging case like that and find this button. It's actually located right here next to the USB-C port. Click and hold this button on the back until this indicator inside the case starts blinking quickly. Just like that. Now release that button and put it close to your MacBook. Then go to the settings, open the Bluetooth settings, turn it on, and from the nearby devices list, you have to select the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.